The NFL concussion claim is about players that have played in the past where the NFL had no concussion protocol in place, to where when these players came off the field suffering from either dizziness or some type of brain injury trauma, they would simply give them smelling salts and put them back into the game within a couple plays later. And what they found out is that the players are having long-term effects because of the multiple brain traumas. It's not like from being in a car crash where you have one massive brain trauma. It is different with the NFL concussion because these players literally every day in practice, they would have numerous collisions. When I say numerous, could be hundreds of collisions. The brain's getting impacted, it's getting injured, and there was no protocol in place when these gentlemen were actually suffering from concussion symptoms. So the basis for that is that the NFL knew about the long-term effects of the multiple brain traumas, and they didn't do anything about it. And therefore, that's the reason for the claim that was brought, because they kept that information from the players. And that's why now there is a what they call a mass tort claim in the Philadelphia federal court, and it is an uncapped settlement for all players. Unfortunately, the claims administrator has not made this process easy. We are finding that it gets complicated and that there's numerous delays and that some of the rules are not being followed. That's why people need representation to help them through this process. Some players were not able to get the eligible seasons that they originally believed that they were entitled to. So therefore, through my representation, I've helped those clients obtain that representation, and that's made the difference between hundreds of thousands of dollars towards the claim. So if you have already registered for the NFL concussion settlement but have not yet been tested, and you find yourself confused, not knowing where to go and how to get the process started, you can call me and we can help you with that process.